In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly bring your presentations to life using animations. Whether you're looking to add a touch of flair to your slides or make your content more engaging, animations are a great way to capture your audience's attention. Now, let's dive right in and explore how you can animate objects to make your presentations stand out. First up, we'll need to open the motion panel. You'll find this panel to be incredibly useful as it hosts all the animation tools you'll need. To open it, head to your menu bar at the top of your screen. From there, simply navigate to View, and you'll see an option labeled Motion. Clicking on this will open up the motion panel on your screen. Alternatively, if you're already in the mood to start crafting animations, you can also get to this panel by going to Insert and then clicking on Animation. Both options will get you to the same destination where all the animation magic happens. Once you have the motion panel open, it's time to animate objects. The first thing you need to do is to click on the object you wish to animate. This can be anything from a text box, an image, a shape, or any element on your slide that you think would benefit from a little animation punch. With your object selected, go back to the motion panel on the right side of your screen. You'll find a section named Object Animations. Here, look for the button labeled Add Animation and give it a click. Now that you're in the animation zone, it's time to choose the effect you want to apply. There are a variety of effects to choose from. You could go for a simple yet elegant fade in out, or perhaps a more dynamic fly in out. There's also the option to spin, among others. The choice really depends on the effect you're aiming for and the mood of your presentation. Next, it's important to decide when you want the animation to start. This is crucial for ensuring a smooth flow in your presentation. You'll have three options. The first option is on click, where the animation begins when you click. This gives you control over the timing during a live presentation. The second option is after previous, which triggers the animation after the preceding animation finishes. This creates a seamless transition from one animation to the next. Lastly, there's with previous, where the animation starts simultaneously with another one. This is particularly useful for complex animations that need to be synchronized. Now, for perhaps the most gratifying part, seeing your animations in action. Within the motion panel, you'll notice a play button. Clicking it will give you a preview of how the animations will run. Watching your animations come to life allows you to make any necessary adjustments, ensuring everything moves just the way you like it. And there you have it. By the end of this process, you will have successfully added captivating animations to your slide. With just a few clicks and thoughtful planning, your presentations can become not just informative, but also visually engaging and memorable. Happy animating!